You see the manufacturing industry transforming, growing, offering opportunity, yet your workforce can't keep up. You realize the operational and financial threat of retirements, quickly advancing technology, a lack of skilled workers, turnover, scrap. More than ever, you're focused on increasing quality, productivity, and profitability. Your goals don't change, but your approach to workforce development has to. The right education and training can change everything. Tooling U-SME can build your business results by helping you access the knowledge of your existing talent and build your next generation workforce. Built on 85 years of manufacturing experience across virtually every industry, our training solutions are developed by industry specialists, from fundamentals to advanced manufacturing. We've developed proven tools, methodologies, and more than 20,000 learning resources for manufacturing, all mapped to professional competencies and industry-endorsed certifications. Tooling U-SME partners with thousands of organizations, including over half of all Fortune 500 manufacturing companies and hundreds of educational institutions across the country. Growth, productivity, customer satisfaction, safety. Putting a formal learning and development program in place does not have to be complicated. It just needs to be structured and sustainable. With extensive experience in the fields of learning and manufacturing, our team is with you every step of the way. Visit toolingu.com to learn more.